Certainly. Here's a detailed recipe for Nam Prik Kapi, a traditional Thai shrimp paste dip that's both pungent and flavorful. It's commonly served with fresh and blanched vegetables, fried fish, or as a complement to rice. Ingredients. For the Nam Prik Kapi: 2 to 3 tablespoons shrimp paste, Kapi; 3 to 4 cloves garlic; 5 to 10 bird's eye chilies, adjust to taste; 2 to 3 tablespoons palm sugar; 3 to 4 tablespoons lime juice; 2 to 3 tablespoons fish sauce; 1 to 2 tablespoons water, if needed to adjust consistency; 2 to 3 tablespoons small dried shrimp, finely ground, optional. For serving: assorted fresh vegetables, e.g., cucumber, carrots, cabbage, Thai eggplants; assorted blanched vegetables, e.g., long beans, pumpkin, cauliflower; fried fish, optional; steamed jasmine rice, optional. Instructions. Prepare the shrimp paste. Toast the shrimp paste. Wrap the shrimp paste in aluminum foil and toast it over medium heat in a dry skillet for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until it becomes fragrant. Alternatively, you can roast it in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes. Make the Nam Prik Kapi. Pound the aromatics. In a mortar and pestle, pound the garlic and bird's eye chilies until they form a rough paste. Add the shrimp paste. Add the toasted shrimp paste to the mortar and continue pounding until it is well incorporated with the garlic and chilies. Sweeten the dip. Add the palm sugar and mix thoroughly until the sugar dissolves into the paste. Season and balance. Add the lime juice and fish sauce, adjusting to taste. The dip should be a balance of salty, spicy, sweet, and sour. If the mixture is too thick, add a little water to reach the desired consistency. Optional addition. If using, add the finely ground dried shrimp and mix well. Serve. Prepare the vegetables. Arrange the fresh and blanched vegetables on a platter. If using, prepare and add fried fish and steamed jasmine rice. Serve the dip. Transfer the Nam Prik Kapi to a small serving bowl and place it in the center of the vegetable platter. Tips. The key to a good Nam Prik Kapi is balancing the flavors. Adjust the quantities of lime juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar to suit your taste preferences. Be cautious with the amount of bird's eye chilies, as they can make the dip very spicy. Start with fewer chilies and add more if needed. Enjoy your Nam Prik Kapi with a variety of vegetables and other accompaniments for a delicious and authentic Thai experience. Nam Prik Kapi, or shrimp paste dip, is a quintessential Thai condiment known for its robust, pungent flavor. It is an integral part of Thai cuisine and is often enjoyed with an assortment of fresh and blanched vegetables, fried fish, and steamed rice. Key elements. Shrimp paste, Kapi. Main ingredient. The primary ingredient in Nam Prik Kapi is shrimp paste, known as Kapi in Thai. Made from fermented ground shrimp, it has a strong, distinctive aroma and flavor that forms the base of the dip. Aromatics and spices. Garlic and chilies. Fresh garlic and bird's eye chilies are pounded together to create a spicy and aromatic paste. The amount of chilies can be adjusted to taste, making the dip as mild or as spicy as desired. Flavor balancing. Palm sugar. Add sweetness to balance the salty and pungent flavors of the shrimp paste. Lime juice. Provides acidity and freshness, cutting through the richness of the other ingredients. Fish sauce. Enhances the umami and saltiness, complementing the shrimp paste. Preparation. The preparation of Nam Prik Kapi involves pounding the ingredients in a mortar and pestle to blend the flavors and create a harmonious paste. This traditional method helps to release the essential oils from the garlic and chilies, intensifying their flavors. Serving. Nam Prik Kapi is typically served with a variety of fresh and blanched vegetables, such as cucumbers, carrots, Thai eggplants, and long beans. The dip is also commonly paired with fried fish and steamed jasmine rice. The assortment of vegetables and accompaniments allows for a range of textures and flavors in each bite. Cultural significance. Nam Prik Kapi is deeply rooted in Thai culinary traditions and reflects the Thai approach to food, which emphasizes balance and the use of fresh, high-quality ingredients. It is a staple in many Thai households and is often prepared for family meals and gatherings. Experience. Eating Nam Prik Kapi is a sensory experience, with the initial pungency of the shrimp paste giving way to a complex blend of spicy, sweet, salty, and sour flavors. The freshness of the vegetables and the crunchiness of the fried fish provide a perfect contrast to the rich and flavorful dip. Overall, Nam Prik Kapi is a versatile and beloved Thai condiment that showcases the bold and dynamic flavors of Thai cuisine. Its ability to enhance a wide variety of dishes makes it a must-try for anyone interested in exploring traditional Thai flavors.